Here you have to learn this formula in previous classes in general division of the numbers, that is dividend equal to divisor plus quotient and plus remainder. Okay, so dear, here is dividend means if you write division process here, then this is known as dividend, and this is divisor, and here is you will get quotient, and then you will get here remainder. So this is the process of division, dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. So the relation between these four things, that is dividend equal to divisor plus quotient plus remainder. Okay. So now let us start here. The first question. It is given that divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So part number first is given that px equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 comma and gx equal to x square minus 2. So here is given two polynomials, one is px and the second one is gx, and you will divide these polynomial and then you will find your quotient and remainder. So what is the process? How can you find? Okay, so let us, here is the question, that is okay, and given that px equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and gx equal to x square minus 2 only. So how can you divide? You will start by the general method. You will write it as px divide by gx equal to px is given that x cube minus 3x square plus 5x and minus 2, and gx is x square minus 2, and here we will write the quotient. So let us start. Here you can observe that the degree of this first term is x 3, and the degree of the divisor is x square. So if you multiply here only by x, then you will get the x cube. So you will write into the quotient, this is x. Okay. Now x into x square, you will get x cube. After that, when you multiply this minus 2x, then you will get 2x into minus 2 into x means 2x, and with the sign minus, you will write this 2x just below of the this term which have the degree 1, means you will write the like term just with matching. Okay, so now what is the process? Now you will change the sign. Here is the positive sign of this x cube, so you will write minus, and this is the plus minus sign, so you will write here plus. Okay, now you will consider this sign only. Okay, so what you will get after simplifying it, x cube and x cube cancelled out. because this is the same coefficient and opposite sign. This is plus x cube, this is minus x cube, and here is minus 3x square. So you will write same to same 3x square, and after that plus 2x and plus 5x, 2 and 5, 7 plus 7x, and after that bring down this minus 2. Okay, after that you will observe what is the coefficient of the first term. Coefficient of first term is minus 3. So you will write first of all minus 3 into the quotient. And in this place, here is the coefficient is only 1. So no need to write here 1. You will direct write the variable. After that, here is need to write here the of variable. Okay, now you will direct multiply this minus 3 to this divisor. Okay, so minus 3 into x square, you will get minus 3x square. After that minus and minus plus, and 2 3 is 6, so plus 6, and again you will change the sign. So dear, this is plus and this is minus. You will observe only these two signs. So what you will get? Minus 3x square and this is plus 3x square. So again this is cancelled out. Now 7x and here is nothing. So you will write 7x same to same. And here is the same sign. So you will add both numbers and put the same sign. That is minus minus, आप minus ही लिखेंगे, and 6 plus 2, it will be 8. So dear, now you will observe here the degree of divisor is greater than to the this remainder. So the process is end. अब यहाँ पे जो आपका डिग्री है, जो रिमाइंडर यहाँ पे मिला हुआ है, इसका डिग्री आपके डिवाइजर से कम है, इसीलिए अब आप इसे डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. तो यही आपका क्या हो जाएगा? रिमाइंडर हो जाएगा. अब आप इसे और आगे नहीं सॉल्व करेंगे. सो फाइनली यू कैन राइट हियर quotient equal to, this is the quotient, means x minus 3, and remainder, because two things is required here, quotient and remainder. Remainder is 7x minus 8. So combinedly this is the answer of this question. तो इस तरह से हम यहाँ पे डिवाइड करते हैं. किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल को दूसरे पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करने का प्रोसेस ये होता है. क्या क्या याद रखेंगे आप इसमें? आपको यहाँ पे सबसे पहले कोफिशिएंट देखना होगा. जो भी कोफिशिएंट आपका यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है वो आप यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप अपने कोशिएंट में कोफिशिएंट लिखेंगे. अगर 1 है तो नो नीड टू राइट 1. ठीक है, तो 1 जरूरत नहीं है लिखने के लिए. अब क्या करेंगे? अब आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे डिग्री क्या है. जो भी डिग्री हो उससे 1 डिग्री कम करके यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. ठीक है, तो आप देखो यहाँ पे डिग्री कितना था? 3 था, और यहाँ पे डिग्री क्या था? 2. तो उससे 1 डिग्री कम कर लिया. यहाँ पे 2 डिग्री है तो 2 डिग्री में 1 कम कर दो तो क्या हो जाएगा? ओनली ये आपका हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सिंगल टर्म. और उसके बाद में फिर आप इसी को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको सेम ही डिग्री का टर्म मिलेगा और आपका आंसर इसी प्रोसेस से आगे आ जाएगा. ठीक है, आउट रह गया है तो चलिए एक और क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. लेट अस पार्ट नंबर 3 लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड पार्ट नंबर 3. Polynomial px is x raised to the power of 4 minus 5x. So here question number 1 part number 3rd, how can you solve? Dividend px equal to, given that x raised to the power of 4 minus 5x plus 6, and divisor gx equal to 2 minus x square. So dear, this divisor can be written as, that is minus x square plus 2. Okay, minus, this is the negative term, so first of all you will write the variable and with sign, minus x square plus 2. So no problem. Now let us start how can we solve this question. So first of all you will write this into the symbol of division, that is minus x square plus 2 and x raised to the power of 4 minus 5x and plus 6. So let us start. Here you can observe that the coefficient of this x raised to the power of 4 is 1 and here is coefficient of x square is minus 1. So it is necessary to write here minus 1. Minus, and after that here is, observe that what is the degree of this first term, 4, and the degree of the first term of the divisor is 2. So subtract 4 minus 2, 2. So you will write the variable here x raised to the power of 2. मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से आपको यहाँ पे वेरिएबल मिल जाएगा कि क्या लिखना है. आफ्टर दैट यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर टू दिस डिवाइजर. सो माइनस एंड माइनस डियर प्लस. हियर यू विल राइट प्लस and x square into x square, so it is x raised to the power of 4 and then minus x square into plus 2, so minus and plus minus, and x square and 2 is, so you will write minus 2x square, minus 2x square. After that change the sign, it is dear minus and this is dear plus. So what you will get, this is cancelled out because same opposite sign. And now first of all you will write the second degree term, this is 2x square with positive sign, and after that the remaining terms. So you will get there, it is just like that, 2x square and then minus 5x and plus 6. You will bring down this is same term minus 5x here and plus 6 after that, and plus 2x square here. So you will write this same to same. After that observe what is the coefficient of this first term, this 2 plus 2, and here is minus, so you will put here minus and this coefficient 2. Okay, कीप इन माइंड दैट आपको यहाँ पे कॉफिशिएंट ध्यान रखना है दोनों. यहाँ फर्स्ट टर्म का कॉफिशिएंट क्या है और यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म का कॉफिशिएंट क्या है. तो यहाँ माइनस है तो आप माइनस पुट करेंगे, हियर यू विल पुट माइनस एंड देन दिस इज नंबर इज कॉफिशिएंट इज 2 and degree here is 2 and here is also 2. So 2 minus 2 means 0. 0 means variable is not required here. So what you will write, only minus 2. Now minus 2 multiplied to this divisor, minus and minus dear plus. So you will write it as plus 2 and it is 2x square. So you will write 2x square and after that dear minus and plus minus, 2 to the 4. So here is minus 4, you will write just in below of the constant term. Now change once again sign. So what you will get, it is there minus and this is plus. So what you will get here finally, this is the opposite sign, negative and positive cancelled out. Now dear remaining things is minus 5x, bring down, this is the term, this is you will write same to same, and plus 6 and plus 4 you will get plus 10. So dear this is plus 10. So finally you can write this is the remainder. Why? Because the process is end here. You can observe that the degree of the divisor is greater than the degree of the remainder. So the process of division is end here.
जब यहाँ पे डिग्री डिवाइजर से छोटा हो जाएगा तो अब हम इसे डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो यहाँ पे कोशेंट क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस टू, और रिमाइंडर क्या हो जाएगा ये। तो आप यहाँ पे आंसर लिखेंगे फाइनली कोशेंट equal to and remainder. So quotient is there, you can observe that this is minus x square minus 2, so you will write minus x square minus 2x square and minus 2, minus x square only and minus 2, and remainder is minus 5x and plus 10. So finally combinedly this is your answer, this is final answer of this question. तो ये आपका आंसर हो जाएगा। इस तरह से हम रिमाइंडर और कोशेंट फाइंड कर सकते हैं।
That is t square minus 3. Question number 2, and here part number first, and it is given that let, you will write it as let px equal to t square minus 3. T is the variable here, t square minus 3, and let another polynomial gx equal to, it is a 2t raised to the power of 4. After that 3t cube, and then minus 2t square, and then minus 90 minus 12. So this is the second polynomial. What is requirement? To find that this polynomial is the factor of this second polynomial. So for this, we will show here the remainder is always 0. So how can we show? We will write here now gx divide by px. Okay. So it can be written as, into the symbol of division, that is t square minus 3, and this is 2t raised to the power of 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t and then minus 12. So dear, start to divide it. So first of all, what to do? You will observe the coefficient. Coefficient is 2. Okay, so first of all, you will write 2, and then here degree of this first term 2, and degree of this the first term in the second polynomial power 4. So you will write here degree, that is 2. क्या करना है, आप सिर्फ माइनस कर लेंगे डिग्री, उतने से पता चल जाएगा। यहाँ पे 4 में से 2 को माइनस कर लीजिए। यहाँ डिग्री कितना है, 4 है, यहाँ पे डिग्री कितना है, 2 है, तो 4 में से 2 माइनस कर लो, 2 मिलेगा, तो उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, टी स्क्वायर से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट टू मल्टीप्लाई इट। 2 into 2t squared multiplied by t square, so you will get 2t raised to the power of 4, and minus 3t into 2, 2 3 is 6 with minus sign, and t square, so you will write just here below of the like term, that is 6t square. This is minus sign, so you will put here minus, and now then subtract it. So dear, this is minus and this is plus. Now you will consider only this sign. So minus 2t raised to the power 4, and here is 2t raised to the power of 4. Positive sign, this is cancelled out. So first of all, you will write the degree of 3 terms. So this is 3t cube, and this is plus 6t square, and this is minus 2t square. So 6 minus 2, that is 4, and having plus sign because this is plus 6, t raised to the power of 2, and bring down minus 90, same to same, and minus 12 also same to same. Okay, Now observe the coefficient first. Here is the coefficient is 3 and t cube and t square subtract the degree. 3 में से 2 को माइनस कर लो, 1 आएगा। तो यहां पे आप लिखोगे सबसे पहले प्लस का 3 कॉफिशियंट है तो प्लस का 3 लिखोगे और टी डिग्री 1 1 तो नेसेसरी नहीं है लिखना, टी लिखने से काम हो जाएगा। सो 3t मल्टीप्लाइड टू दिस डिवाइजर, you will get 3t square, sorry 3t cube, t square into t cube and minus 3 3 is a 9t, you will write here minus 9t. Okay, now change the sign, minus and this is plus, both term has been cancelled out. Why? Because this is minus 3t cube, this is plus 3t cube, this is plus 90, this is minus 90, cancelled out. Now bring down this term, that is 4t square and minus 12. Same to same, this is 12, so you bring down 12 with the sign. Now again observe what is the coefficient. Coefficient is plus 4. So you first of all you will write here plus 4. Okay, and then degree 2 minus 2 0, 0 means nothing, कुछ भी आपको यहाँ पे वेरिएबल अब नहीं लिखना है। So 4 into t square, that is 4t square and 4 3s are 12 and sign is minus, so minus 12. Now change the sign, minus and this is plus, this is 4t square cancelled out, plus 12 and minus 12 is also cancelled out, remainder is what? Remainder is 0. So finally you will write here, since remainder equal to 0, therefore px is a factor of gx. अगर आपको रिमाइंडर 0 मिल जाता है तो हमारा रिजल्ट क्या हो जाएगा? देन px इज द रिमाइंडर ऑफ gx. अगर ये 0 नहीं आता है तो हम कहेंगे इट इज नॉट फैक्टर ऑफ gx, ये फैक्टर नहीं होगा। ठीक है, तो इस चीज को हम ध्यान रखेंगे कि यहाँ पे जो फैक्टर है वो फैक्टर हमें नहीं मिलेगा अगर यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं होगा। तो देखिए आपने यहाँ पे किया क्या, सेम ही प्रोसेस तो अप्लाई किया जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में किया हुआ था, तो वही प्रोसेस यहाँ अप्लाई किया। यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या आ गया, रिमाइंडर आपको 0 मिला। ठीक है, तो 0 रिमाइंडर मिलने से आपका आंसर हो गया कि फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल सेकंड का फैक्टर है। तो ये इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो गया। ठीक है,